Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Kev. My name is Kevin. In today's video we are going to look at Python's if-else statements. In the previous video we had an overview of operators. In this video we will be taking advantage of Python's comparison operators. So if you haven't seen that previous video, the link is in the description. I want us to think of a school's grading system. We know that once you take your exams, you get marks, which are then converted to grades following certain conditions, such as if you score more than 80%, you get an A. Now we can implement such logic in Python. So let's explore the syntax of Python's if-else statements. Okay, so this is how you create if-else statements in Python. You first start with an if, followed by a condition, and then once you have done that, add a colon, and then you can have code that will run if the condition is true. So once you have your if block, you'll have to create an else block, which is basically code that runs if the condition is not met or when the condition is not true. So just to demonstrate, I'm going to create a variable up here. I'm going to create a variable named age, and age is equals to 21. Now we want to check whether this person or this age belongs to an adult. So we know that by the age of 18, a person moves from being a minor to an adult. So we can do this. We can say if age is greater than or equal to 18, we can print adult. And then if the age is not greater than or equal to 18, we can print we can have this say adult first. So let me correct this part, and then this part here will return or print out minor. So if I save that and run it, you see we get an adult because basically this condition is true. If I were to change this to 16 and run it, we get a minor. So this is basically how the code works. So we could separate this. We can have multiple if statements. So assuming you have more than one condition, you could do this. You could create an else if statement, which is basically created with the elif statement. So we first check whether a person's age is greater than or equal to 18. If that is true, we can have this person is a youth, and then else if this person's age is greater than 35, we could have that person be a full-fledged adult. So we can do that if age is greater than 35. We can print adult. So if I run this, we still get a minor. So let's correct this. Let's have 21. Now we get youth. If we have someone that is 55 years, we don't expect that person to be a youth. So we can do that. Now we have an issue, basically because we have to limit this condition here. So if this person's age is between 18 and 35, that person is a youth. So we have to tell Python how to check for that. So we can do that by doing this. If age is greater than or equal to 18 and age is less than or equal to 35, that person is a youth. Okay, so then else if age is greater than 35, that person is an adult. Okay, so if I save this and run it again, the error should have been corrected. So we have this. So basically I have introduced the aspect of having this logical operator here, that is the AND operator, to combine two statements. Kindly note that both of these have to return true for this block to run. So I believe that is it for if-else statements in Python. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.